morning, everyone. Today's assembly is conducted by the students of Class 8. I request Sahal Nisar of Class 8 to start the assembly.
Good
Over
morning,
to Sahal
Najath.
Nisar. Sahal, please start.
Thank you, sir. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and all my dear friends, a warm good morning to all. Myself, Sahal Nisar, is going to coordinate today's assembly of its standard. Feeling so pleased for giving me this opportunity, I'm highly obliged to my class teacher, Shafina ma'am, Principal Sir, and all participants. Everything starts from prayer. Words of great humanitarian Mother Teresa. So let's begin our assembly with prayer. So let me invite Liya Fatima for prayer and requesting all my dear friends to stand up. And Liya, please.
സത്യമായി ശുദ്ധ സ്നേഹമായി ദിവ്യജ്ഞാനമായി വാഴും ദൈവമേ നിത്യവും നിൻ കൃപ കടാക്ഷങ്ങളേകണേ ഞങ്ങൾക്കെപ്പോഴും പാരിലാലംബഹീനരായോരെ സേവിപ്പാൻ ശക്തി നൽകണം സത്യധർമാദി സൽഗുണങ്ങള ജീവിതം ധന്യമാക്കണം ബുദ്ധനും മഹാവിഷ്ണുവും യേശു ക്രിസ്തുവും നബിയല്ലാവും എല്ലാമേ ഗമാണെന്ന വേദാന്തം ഞങ്ങളിൽ ദീപ്തമാക്കണം സത്യമായി ശുദ്ധ സ്നേഹമായി ദിവ്യജ്ഞാനമായി വാഴും ദൈവമേ നിത്യവും നിൻ കൃപ കടാക്ഷങ്ങൾ ഏകണേ ഞങ്ങൾക്കെപ്പോഴും ഏകണേ ഞങ്ങൾക്കെപ്പോഴും.
Thank you, Liya. Next, I would like to invite Mohammed Faheem for pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its wealth and its rich and varied heritage. India is my country. I love my country. I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. Parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, people, I pledge my devotion and their well-being and prosperity. Now, like Jai.
Thank you, Faheem. Next, it's my turn for conducting a welcome speech. A warm welcome to all listeners of this assembly, and I'm inviting all of you to this assembly conducted by Ed Standard. And by wishing you a great day, thank you. Next, I would like to invite Nafila for news headlines.
A very fresh good morning to all of you present here. I, Nafila Katie of Class 8, is here to acknowledge you with today's headlines. General news: PM Modi to inaugurate Rudraksh, the symbol of Indo-Japan friendship in Varanasi. World against seizure of power by violence. India presents 3-point roadmap for Afghanistan. Union Minister Piyush Goyal appointed as leader of House in Rajya Sabha. Union Cabinet to meet physically today after more than a year. UAE becomes first Gulf nation to open embassy in Israel. Sports. Messi to sign new 5-year Barcelona contract and take incredible 50% wage cut. Sports Minister Anurag Thakur launches official song on Indian contingent at Tokyo Olympics. England women beat India women by 8. Defending champions Trinbago Knight Riders to face Guyana Amazon Warriors in CPL 2021. Health. Zika virus cluster identified in Trivandrum. Operation identifies fogging. Kerala confirms 23 Zika virus cases. 2 doses of vaccine vital against Delta COVID variant, says European Medicines Agency. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Nafila. And next, I'd like to invite Afsal Khan for quote for the day.
Quote for the day: do good for others, it will come back in unexpected ways. Thank you.
Thank you, Afsal. It was a motivational quote. Next is thought of the day, and for it, I'm inviting Muhammad Shaheem.
Hi, good morning to all. I am Shaheem from 8th standard. Today I am saying a thought of the day. The thought is always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were tomorrow, a fresh opportunity to make it better. I repeat once again, always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were tomorrow, a fresh opportunity to make it better. By saying this, I am concluding my words. Thank you.
Thank you, Shaheem. Next, speech by Hiba Thasni.
Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, good morning, everybody. Today I am to talk about online games and its stressed by hearing the news regarding online games. Today we can discuss about the effects of online games. Various studies show that playing too much online games causes physical damages and increase anxiety and depression in players. Many studies show that most students who are addicted to online games have high blood pressure and learning takes place unexpectedly but inappropriately of playing online some problems in the district school is where the attention of the child where that are divided that and their head is unknowingly affected. Online games affect our behavior also. Increased aggression with uh, in in grades at school, etc. During this pandemic, all students are mingling with the mobile phones. Most of the time is the responsibility of parents to check what kind of games are their children playing in the mobile phones. We can take an today playing mobile games. Thank you.
Thank you, Hiba. Next, word for the day by Muhammad Lazim.
Good morning, Najath. The word is arbitrary. Arbitrary. The meaning of the word is random choice or personal whim. Thank you.
Thank you, Lazim, for your words. Next, I would like to invite Fatima Nia for word of thanks.
Thank you everyone for taking your time and being here and listening to our assembly. I am so grateful for this opportunity. Once again, thank you everyone and have a nice day.
Thank you, Nia. Next is National Anthem by Haneena.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जवल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, Haneena. Next, let me invite our principal sir for some words. Sir, please.
Okay, so dear friends, good morning everyone. Thank you so much, dear students of class 8 of conducting nice assembly. Students, I have just posted a polling option here in the chat box. You can click on the activities button and start polling now. Yes, that polling option is there. You can you have to click on the three dots. There will be an option activities. Go there, click on the polls, then give a mark for class 8 assembly today. 10, 9.5, 9, 8.5, 8, 7.5, or 7. Starting from 7 up to 10, you can give score to the assembly. Those who are selecting the maximum score, I mean, which score more number of students are voting, it will be given to 8th standard assembly. Okay, keep voting that. Then it was nice assembly because almost all the students were in the uniform, right? And yesterday they had a meeting. Then in the meeting they have decided, the students of 8th standard, they have decided to maximum wear uniform even in the live classes, and also they were ready to say that they will be switching on the video when they are in the class. That is a good decision. I appreciate that decision. I appreciate everyone of 8th standard, especially teachers, class teacher, parents, and all the students of 8th standard for for taking a very important decision. I also expect in the other classes also will be taking the same decision in the coming days. So we are moving to the other classes. Today we have the meeting of 7th A and B together at 4:30. And I request all students also please join in the meeting. That is actually a review meetup of students, parents, and teachers. Then for KG classes also, we are conducting a meeting at 2 UKG students, parents, teachers meeting will be conducted at 2 p.m. today, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So that these are the two meetings we are going to conduct today. And we have announced the result. Sorry, we have announced the result of the school head boy and head girl election last week, and we are moving to the investiture ceremony of taking ceremony of the leaders, inshallah, very soon. We have started discussions to fix a date, and we are just trying to get a very good guest for the function. So after that, we'll be announcing it in the coming days. So thank you so much everyone for joining. So today we have more number of students joining in the assembly. It is a very good sign that our number of students participating in the assembly is going up and up and again. Then I will show you the result of the poll now. We got out of the students, we got 78 plus votes, then 27 voted for 10. So the maximum number of students supported with 10 points. So congratulations, students of 8th standard, you got 10 points today. Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.